When I first started learning C++, I thought real programmer wrote everything from scratch. Need a vector? Implement your own, resizing it. Need to sort? Write quick sort from scratch. Need threads? Well, good luck wrestling with p-threads. But then, I discovered something that changed everything. It was not magic, it was library. Trying to write all this from scratch is exhausting, time-consuming, and prone to bugs. Writing everything from scratch, that's not programming, that's reinventing the wheel. So how do you programmers solve this with libraries? What is a library? A library is a collection of pre-written tested code, functions, classes, and tools that you can use in your own program. Instead of writing everything yourself, you just borrow these ready-made pieces and build on top of them. Think of library as your toolbox. You don't make a hammer every time you need to drive a nail. You grab it from the box. Libraries save you tons of time and effort. They let you focus on what makes your program unique instead of struggling with basic like reading and writing files, doing math operation, handling dates and time, creating graphics, or playing sound, communicating over the internet. All of that is already done for you, tested by experts and used by millions. Many programming language, including C++, comes with a standard library. In C++, the standard library includes data structures like std vector, algorithms like std sort, and utilities for threading, I/O, and many more. Beyond your imaginations, there are also thousands of third-party libraries out there for specialized tasks from graphics to machine learning. In the next video, I will explain the two types of library, static and dynamic. But there is not only two types of library. There are more and more types of library which we will covering in upcoming videos and show you how to create your own libraries in C++. So stay tuned